Today, we introduce the oscilloscope segmentation acquisition function, which allows a longer signal acquisition process to be divided into multiple time periods for collection and storage. In oscilloscope measurement, signal distortion occurs. Segmentation acquisition is actually to let the oscilloscope record only the desired segments, so that the depth of the oscilloscope can be used more efficiently and waveform details can be guaranteed. Connect a signal to the oscilloscope. Press the Acquire button, click More, and enter the Segmentation Acquisition menu. Alternatively, tap the navigation icon Hantek in the upper left corner of the screen and select Segment Capture. Click Capture Settings to set the number of frames that need to be collected, which can be set through a multifunctional knob or numeric keypad. When the label is lit, the segment acquisition is turned on, and the oscilloscope will collect according to the set parameters. Click on the historical waveform to see the results of the segment acquisition. Last, view the previous frame of the current number of frames. Playing playback operation on the collected waveform. Next, view the next frame of the current frame. List, open the list, pop up the playlist, and set the number of frames to view through the multifunction knob. Interval frame-to-frame time interval can be set directly by rotating the multifunction knob or by the numeric keypad that pops up.